You know what's a kind of a hidden reality behind finishing the bus? It's not finished yet. A hidden reality behind finishing the bus is that I just spent like 5 minutes searching through all of our little cubbies and drawers and cabinets and closets and trying to find where I put my tripod. Like a year and a half ago, I could just see it clearly because there's nothing in here. And now we've got all of this stuff and I don't remember where I put any of my things. So, but I wanted to kind of jump on here and talk to you guys real fast because I feel like you guys are like extended family and it's really neat having this connection with you guys and like commenting. Last week I didn't film a whole lot because it was just kind of, it was a lot. Emily had some doctor visits. They ended up coming out not so great, but now they come out great. So now we're just waiting for more answers. And yeah, and it's crazy like how fast life can instantly change and how drastically different your life can be in an instant moment. Like I said, she's good. We're all healthy. We're just waiting for some more answers because that being said, I still made progress on the bus. We were still doing some things. Emily's working on the step signs. I sanded the outside of the bus quite a bit. And I'm gonna make a video about that, about like the whole bus outside painting, because now we're in the process of starting the outside and it's wicked exciting. So we wanted to get the inside finished and then the outside is gonna be like the icing on the cake, like the last things to get done. So we're like right at that phase. But like I said, I wanted to jump on here and show you guys some things because it's just exciting. We got our couch cushions done and it works out exactly how I want it to work. Did some cleaning, so now our kitchen's pretty well finished. I need to caulk the bottom of this tile and then the kitchen is done. That's cool. Bathroom door is finished. It slides and operates properly. Cleaning up the tile in the bathroom because I left some grout on there from when I was grouting and I just need to get a Scotch pad and like that. Got the hydraulics on the kids' bed, so now this stays. I gotta get new hydraulics for the kids' bunk, so that stays. One of the bunks is done. The closets are painted and cleaned and all nice and cool. We can start putting stuff in them. Emily finished up this wall, so now we can put the letters that she wants to do for her design. The solar stuff is working flawlessly. I'm waiting to get an answer and see if we can get a sponsorship and some new batteries. If we don't get a sponsorship on new batteries, then I'm gonna have to drop a lot of money on some new batteries, which sucks, but it is what it is. The mini split unit is in, it's operating. This thing is fantastic. I absolutely love this thing. I'm gonna make a video about that as well because there's a lot of questions that I had that I didn't get answers to until I actually started working with this thing. But we have a Pioneer 12,000 BTU, 19.5 SEER rated, and it's in the back of the bus. And back here, the bedroom, the kids' room, the hallway, all of this gets ice cold all the time. So I've been doing some trial and error and some playing. I've been putting a fan on the dresser and it blows it up into the living room and it does a pretty good job keeping this place cool. If I started in the morning and bring the ambient temperature down in the whole bus to the operating temperature of like 72, the front of the bus goes like 78. If I start it mid-afternoon where the bus is already wicked hot, it doesn't do a good job. So I think that's the kicker, is putting it and setting it at an ambient temperature so that it can cool the bus a lot easier instead of like bringing the temperature down if it's already risen and da-da-da-da-da. Working with some Reflectix material to see how well this insulates the rest of the bus. We just got some shades for the bus that have insulation built into them. Spent a lot more money than I anticipated, but that's okay because it's got the Reflectix built into it, so it makes our lives a lot easier. They're like self-assist, so they raise and lower kind of by themselves. So yeah, this place is looking pretty gnarly, and I'm quite excited. I wanted to go test this thing out this weekend because I have a wedding to shoot on Saturday, but I just feel like, one, people are gonna judge me a lot if it looks as ugly as it does. I wanted to get it painted before, so I was shooting to paint it on Thursday, but I don't think that's gonna happen because it's just a lot and I don't want to stress myself out trying to get this thing finished. So I think I'm gonna just continue to prep the outside and get some other things painted, like touch up the mirrors and the rub rails and do the things that are gonna be black that we're gonna keep black, we're gonna make black. So I'm gonna do those things. I think I'm gonna try to paint it on Sunday. And then after the outside's painted, we're just gonna add some anchors and some things and some other things, and then we can actually start moving into this bus. So I'm pumped. I mean, dude, I can't believe we're here. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and kind of give you guys a little bit of an update because I didn't, like I said, make videos. I didn't make as many videos as I wanted to this past week. It's just cool, guys. Yeah. This bus is coming along and I'm so freaking pumped. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, I'd really, really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks guys. Alright, give us some gas.